So I thought I would film just a short blast of the trail and what the groomer or the drag does. So that's the trail. Looks pretty good. Snow covered. What happens is if it gets any traffic, it gets bumpy, or if I don't do it at all, it gets deep, and then it really gets bumpy and it's hard to navigate. So what I do is I pull this little drag I made out of wood behind the machine. Let's see if I can do this, and it smooths out the trail and flattens it. Works pretty good.